Hi, my name is Linda, and today I will be demonstrating how to use Google Slides. Google Slides is a really easy way to share your presentations. For instance, I use Google Slides to help teach a lot of my online classes for students where I just share my screen and present my slides. This is an example of a Google slide that I made in the past. As you can see, there's a lot of different features. You can choose your own theme. You can make all your slides look different, dependent on what type of information you're going to present, and it's just very easy to present by clicking on the present button on the upper right hand corner. You can escape very easily, and you can also share your slides very easily to the people you want to collaborate. This makes it very useful for school presentations and projects where you're working with a group of other students. You can easily just share it or get a shareable link as you see in the corner here. And it just makes Google Slides very accessible and very easy to share with other people. Here, I started a new slide, so we have a lot of themes that are offered. It should be automatic on the right-hand side. There's a lot of themes to choose from, so if I'm teaching a class, I might choose this really fun theme with an interesting font and a pop of color. If I'm giving a presentation for a business-related presentation, I might use a theme more closer to Lux. So if you want to make a new slide, you can just add the slide using the plus button in the left hand side, or you can even duplicate old slides if necessary by right clicking on your mouse and clicking duplicate slide. If you want to change the layout, you would also right click and then go to apply layout. Here you have a selection of different options based on what your presentation needs are, and again, you can use transitions between your slides. There's a lot of options there. You can add pictures, you can add text, you can even add comments on the side for you to use before you're giving your presentation. Thank you.